Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Gina Yonke channel. And today we will talk about our experiences, our activities during this Christmas season. And of course, we know that Christmas season here in the Philippines is awaited and prepared by Filipinos and giving of blessings to one another. Okay, watch and enjoy. And yes, aside from giving gifts, we have the different food like leche flan, sweets, fruit salad. We have the halaya, halaya pa. Okay,
We'll
let's
have two slots for 150,000.
150,000. Yahoo! 150,000.
And one slot for 300,000.
Oy, George, pili ka dito.
Tapos, ang grand prize natin is 500,000.
Yahoo! Woo!
Ang 500,000 natin, yung pinakamatitira.
Yes.
Yan.
Okay.
Pagka wala yung mga pangalan nyo dito, sorry. Okay. Dalawang 150,000. Ang bubunod ay si
Mga LB, bunot ka daw.
for 150,000. Dalawang 150,000 and isang 300,000. At ang nanalo si Paring Owen!
Yay!
Bumunot. Basta bumunot. Oh, bumunot. Mabumunot yung pinagano. Yan. Oh, dalawa na lang nila. Yan, nagkin na lahat. Dalawa na lang. Okay. Okay, hawakan niyo maigi, mga kasama. Ang unang hindi nanalo.
Malayo ko pa.
Wow!
Si Tita Lori.
Yes, refrigerator. Refrigerator, ah. Okay. Refrigerator, ah.
And Mrs. Rona Balalio.
Yes, thank you.
Ayan. Next.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Ang hindi kasama yung plato.
Every word I'm moving so I got a vendetta against people who value being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, speaking slow, speaking fast. I can roast, I get gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my calm, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the change at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I know.
Oh yes, kainan na. Ano pangalan niyan? Konti. Uy, parang ang sarap ng gano'n, no? Yung garlic, garlic lady. Sige, gumawa.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who got it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that shit. So I'm sticking fast like the world's not the gas. Think I'm always here fast. I don't know what's next.
Rushing through the snow in a one-horse-open sleigh. All the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on winter's ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse-open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse-open sleigh.
Yes, tuloy lang ang kainan. Tuloy lang. Enjoy. So, ganito lang kami, laro lang. Contest lang, papremyo lang, simple papremyo. Kaya nag-enjoy lang sa ganyan lang, hanggang mapagod, mabusog, kakain ulit. Happy lang.
Mainit na. Wala na, malapit na mga yung kanila ng mga mind bearer nyo, mental bearer. Pag di nyo na kaya, pwede na patayin dati. Ayun na, sino na kayo naumuna? Uy, ba't sa oh my God!
Puro tatayon.
Thank you. Oh, nice. Unboxing. Unboxing. Lumak sayang.
And thank you for watching, guys. And if you like, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Goodbye and thank you, everyone. God bless us all and have a merry and blessed and prosperous 2026.